Hi guys, nasa bahay na ako guys. Galing doon sa naglalakad-lakad sa doon sa maraming snow. Tingnan mo yung ng ko sa doon sa hobby ko. Uy, nagpinkish-pinkish lagi guys. Ako ang aping guys. Oh, sa bugnaw ang ilong dito guys. Naprosin ang gahi ko ang ilong hasta kong kamot. Grabing tugnawa. Ang kamot pag anak ko di na ako magkuan kay ning gahi naghang kamot ngadto hasta ang ilong. Ay, Ginoo ko. Agsaho man ning gikalo-kalo ganina guys ba mo ning akong agtang Hala. Napingkis ang inday, murag mistisahon. Oh, guten Morgen! Kanyan, ayan, dumating na ang snow sa amin. Sabi ko na nga ba, late? So, finally, snow is here around. But snow. So, snow is coming here na. Oh, late coming by ons. Yeah. So, we're going to work now. On done. But I think it's coming more snow. It's not enough, but it's white Christmas tree. Okay, that's it. Maganda ang araw ngayon kasi maaraw guys. It's sunshine today. I wake up like this guys. I wish snow pa more. Konti lang ang snow, bumagsak. So it's just like that. Okay. But it's sunshine. It's cold sunshine. Mamaya maglalakad ako pag sipagin. Pag hindi naman, yan, magstay home lang. Okay. Ayan, malamig guys. Nagpo-frozen na yung half frozen na yung tubig. Aray ko po. So, ayan, hintayin kong kasi first snow pa lang kasi yan guys. Ayan, kaya ayan, nagiyalo na yung tubig ng ilog. Pero konti, hindi pa naman, hindi pa talaga as in matigas. Yung sa iba, sa taas lang. Nasaan na kaya yung mga yung mga baby na laging ditong nag-swimming. Nagtatago na yun kasi ang lamig na guys. So, snowing. Okay, let's continue to walk guys. Mag-exercise tayo. Ayan guys, marami ng snow doon sa kabilang side. Oh. Let's go walk over there. Oh yes, I wake up like this. Namumuti na ang surrounding. So, mahal na araw. So guys, dito tayo mag-walk lang. Exercise lang guys. Ayan. Naglalakad-lakad lang ang inday dito. Lamig. So, dito tayo ngayon guys sa malamig na lugar. Wala lang, exercise lang guys. Exercise lang tayo. So, dito tayo banda sa mga maisa. Doon ay masyadong malapit na yung araw guys, malapit na maglubog yung araw. Ako naman dito ay nag-iikot-ikot lang. In fairness guys, dito puno na ng ice, pero doon sa kabila guys walang ice. It's far away here, not far away here, it's other side, walang ice. Grabe, hindi fair. Okay, so ayan, dito tayo sa malamig. It's snow. Hi, sunshine. You are hiding now. Lovely sunshine. So, dito po tayo ngayon guys. So, ayan, dito tayo sa malamig. It's snow. Hi, sunshine. You are hiding now. Lovely sunshine. So, dito po tayo ngayon guys. So, ayan, dito tayo sa malamig. It's snow. So, dito lang ako guys, naglalakad-lakad sa tabing kabundukan. Okay. Ganito lang dito. Hindi ko alam kung saan na ako dito, no? So, I'm going back in my way. So, let's go. Hindi ko alam po saan yan ang pupunta doon. Ayan. Doon sa kabila kasi guys, walang snow. Ayan. Naglalakad-lakad lang ang Inday, nag-exercise. Weh! Snow pa more. Exercise ang Inday. Mag-walking. Alright. That's it. Maginaw yung kamay ko. Parang wala nang pakiramdam. Ano ba yung kamay na ito? Look at guys, how it's big different the weather here. In this side is full of snow. Look at this view. So I just slowly turn around in the other side. In the other side, as there's no snow. Look. So this way is there still have snow in the halfway, but in the other side there is no. See, there is not. Here, see, it's nothing. I don't know. This side is no snow, but this other side is have a lot of snow. It's funny. And you know guys, the house where I live is the other side where is no snow. There, over there. So we don't have snow too much. Oh yeah, we have only little snow, not like here, but only how many few minutes to walk. How many few minutes to walk from home until here. But here is a lot of snow, so that's why sometimes we coming here just to play the snow, because in my place is always late the snow coming. If we are unlucky, then we don't have snow, but it's not so big problem because just walk around here guys. Wow, ang daming deer doon sa taas. Ayun. Ayun, naglalakad-lakad na sila sa snow. Naglabasan na. Dami nila. Maliit lang. Kasi malayo-layo pa. Ayan guys. Ito yung area namin guys. Walang snow masyado. Hindi maano. Ilang ano lang. Few minutes lang to walk guys. Doon sa other side. So, konti lang ang snow dito sa area namin. Frozen. Ayan. Frozen. Uy. Ga-ice na. Tugnaw yun, uy. Ayan guys, a few minutes lang guys, nasa bahay na ako, malapit na, ilang minuto lang. So, you see, sa area namin, wala nang snow. Sa area namin, oh, see, the other side is okay. Yan, walang snow doon sa kabilang side guide yan. Diba? Yan. So, pero ilang minuto lang naman maglakad doon sa may maraming snow. Unang bagsak pala ng snow yan guys. So, see? Oh, hindi masyado dito sa area namin. Pero few minutes lang to walk saan tayo galing. Ayun, may rami ng snow doon.